I wanted to comment about the ongoing noise in regards to the united opposition. Mafuta yangu ni kidogo, ni mtu mdogo sana DCP. But I want to urge our fellow MPs and our principals who have seen boldly and candidly speak out and they are bashing our party leader, DCP Rigathi Gachagua. We want to tell them, unless you mean otherwise, if you are strongly behind the one-term movement, none of you would dare raise their arm, fight Rigathi Gachagua, and at the same time you want to fight William Ruto. You are sympathizers of William Ruto, and if it's otherwise, I want to plead with you that we calmly allow our principals to discuss issues if they are there internally and solve them internally, because a house that is divided will fall. Any person who is bashing the work that is being done by the Rigathi Gachagua in the mountain, in open rallies like I saw today, you obviously mean you want Ruto to become a two-term member, to become a two-term president. And therefore, I want to ask our members in the DCP fraternity, we remain calm, we continue respecting our friends in the other political parties and principles, but most importantly, that we avoid this bashing. Public bashing is not helpful. It does not help us. And for Christ's sake, I didn't see any noise when DCP won the All Karao seat. The congratulatory messages were not as loud and strong as I'm seeing this noise in regards to how DCP wants to negotiate her way in or out of the next coalition. I think as a party and as a DCP woman leader in the DCP party, we are equal to task to go alone in the year 2027. Rigathi is equal to task to be a presidential flag bearer of our party and go win that election. The reason why our principles have come together is because we all agree. We all have one agenda, the agenda of taking William Ruto home. If that have changed, then I think that's the reason why people have resorted to roadside declarations, attacking and insulting Rigathi Gachagua. And therefore, I strongly condemn it. I want to ask that our principals put our house in order, put your members of parliament, senators and women reps and MCs together without attacking or insulting. Not that I don't have anything to say about the other principles. There is a lot I would say. The reason why I would restrain and respect them as equal partners with DCP is because I know we are united for a cause. And this cause is serious than ever. Because you cannot defeat a one-man army. A man who has means, has resources, has everything that he requires. All he lacks is the public support. And therefore, for us to win public support, we must not look like we are divided. And therefore, if anybody has a problem with Rigathi Gachagua, the people of Mlima, Kenya, please tell us to quit the united opposition. Thank you.